In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone on Google Chat. If you want to start a direct conversation with someone in Google Chat, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it so you can confidently find the right person and begin chatting with them right away. To get started, go to your Google Chat home dashboard. This is the main screen where you can access your conversations, spaces, and direct messages. If you're already signed into your Google account, Google Chat should open directly to your home view. This is the best place to begin because all of the tools you need are available from here. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on New Chat. This option is what you'll use whenever you want to begin a conversation with someone new. After clicking it, a search field or pop-up will appear, allowing you to look for the person you want to message. Next, type in the email address of the person you want to start a chat with. As you type, Google Chat may begin suggesting matching contacts. This helps speed things up and also makes it easier to confirm that you're selecting the right person, especially if there are similar names in your organization or contact list. When the correct person appears in the suggestions, click on their profile or email entry. This tells Google Chat that this is the person you want to add to the conversation. Make sure you choose the correct contact before moving on, since this will open a direct message with them. After selecting the person, click on Start Chat. This creates the direct message thread and opens the conversation window. From here, you can type and send your first message whenever you're ready. Even if you don't send a message immediately, the chat thread may still be created, so you can return to it later. Once that's done, the person will now appear in the left-hand column under direct messages. This is useful because it means you won't need to search for them again. The next time you want to continue the conversation, you can simply click their name from your direct messages list and pick up where you left off. And that's how to add someone on Google Chat. It's a simple process. Open Google Chat, create a new chat, search for the person, select them, and start the conversation. If you found this helpful, be sure to follow along for more easy Google Chat tutorials.